Hi guys, welcome to Tech for Finance. Today I'm so much excited to be making this video because it has been a while. So without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead and show you step by step how to buy BTC, USDT or any other cryptocurrency on Binance using your Mastercard or Visa card. In order to get started, all what you need to do is to come to Binance and come and log in into your account. You can also use the Binance mobile application like to buy cryptocurrencies just following the very same steps that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So I will go ahead and log in into my account. So once you have logged in into your account, all what you need to do is to come over where it says buy crypto. Then over here, you need to change the currency like to the currency of the card you're going to be using. So I will change to USD. So after changing the currency, you'll be able to see the options that are available for buying cryptocurrencies like on Binance using the currency you've chosen. So you can see that with USD, we can buy with a credit or debit card. But before we can proceed, I just want to show you the balance so that you'll be able to see that we have been able to buy the cryptocurrency using our card. So in my wallet overview, you can see that I only have got 50 cents on my account. We are going to be depositing money here by buying cryptocurrencies using Mastercard or Visa card. So to do that, all what I need to do is to come where it says buy crypto and then come and press on debit stroke credit card. Here you can also even be able to change like your fiat currency. Let's say that you are based in Europe. You can change from USD to Euro over here. Down over here, you can choose like which cryptocurrency to buy. So in our case, we are going to be buying USDT like on Binance instead of Bitcoin. So I need to come and press this icon over here. Then in here, you can see like there are hundreds of cryptocurrencies that you can buy using Mastercard or Visa card on Binance. You just need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. And for us, we're going to be using USDT, but if you are looking for a different coin, you can just come over the search bar and search for it to be able to find it. So we're going to go with USDT. Then over here, we just need to enter the amount. And upon entering the amount, Binance is going to calculate automatically the USDT you are going to receive on your account over here. But you can also just put the amount directly over here. Let's say if you want to receive 15 USDT, if we put 15 over here, you can see that we're going to be receiving 15, but Binance is going to be cutting $15.53 from our card. So I will just put $30 in here since I want to deposit 30 USDT to my Binance account. Then I'll come and press on continue. Here you just need to select the payment method, which can be a Mastercard or Visa card. Then come and press on confirm. Here you need to just enter your card information, but make sure that the card is yours. You can't use another person's card to deposit money on Binance. So I'll go ahead and fill out these details. After filling all your card information, you just need to press on confirm. So here you can see that the card has been added to our Binance account. So you just need to come and press on confirm. So we just need to come and press on confirm once more. So these are the details of this transaction. All what we need to do then is to come and press on confirm down over here like to complete the transaction. Then over here, you just need to enter the verification code in this box that is going to be sent by your card provider. So I will go ahead and enter the code in here. Then after entering the code, I just need to come and press on confirm down over here. You can see over here that the confirmation is a success. We have successfully confirmed this transaction. Now we just have to wait for Binance to process this transaction, and once it is processed, we are going to receive the money on our Binance account. And one thing which I want you to take note of is that buying cryptocurrencies on Binance using Mastercard or Visa card or any other debit card is not supported in each and every country. In some countries, like you might not be able to follow these steps and be able to add money to your account. Now, what I want us to do is to go to our account. So I'll come and press on overview over here so that we can check our balance to see if we have received the money. You can see over here that our balance now is $30.50. So we have been able to add money to our Binance account by buying crypto worth $30 using our Mastercard. If you'd like to use the Binance mobile application to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance, then make sure that you watch the next short video where I show you the very same steps as I've shown you in this video but for the mobile application.